Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: BufferedWriter class with System.out. So using System.out, we are going to display the data onto the output screen with BufferedWriter class. So first of all, let us have a small revise. What are IO streams in Java? IO. So IO stands for input output. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream means flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So basically in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream. So input streams are nothing but reading streams where we are going to read the data from source into the Java program. And generally the source is keyboard. Second one, output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams where we are going to write the data from Java program onto the destination, and generally the destination is monitor, display, output screen. And to work with IO streams in Java, we have java.io package. So in this java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes using which we can perform reading operations and writing operations efficiently in a Java program. So now coming to the concept of BufferedWriter class with System.out. So generally System.out indicates display, monitor or output screen. So system means current computer system. Out means standard output device, which is monitor or output screen. So now coming to Java IO streams. So Java IO streams are classified again into two types. They are byte streams and character streams. So coming to the byte streams, so byte streams will perform reading operation and writing operation in a Java program 1 byte at a time. And coming to these byte stream classes, we have input stream abstract class, output stream abstract class and its subclasses. So all these comes under byte streams. And second one, we have character streams. So character streams perform reading and writing operation of data in a Java programs 2 bytes at a time. So here, what is the advantage of character streams when compared to the byte streams? So character streams performance of reading and writing operations increases in a Java program because we are going to read 2 bytes and write 2 bytes at a time. And coming to character streams, so character streams internally uses byte streams only to perform the reading and writing operations 2 bytes at a time. So here in byte streams we have input stream class, output stream class at the top level. So similarly in character streams we have reader class, writer class at the top level with its subclasses. So here both reader class and writer class both are abstract classes only. So now coming to the concept of BufferedWriter class. So BufferedWriter class, first of all, it is a character IO stream class and it is available in java.io package. So what is the use of this class? So it writes the data onto the output writer as 2 bytes character data. So generally the output writer is file, and now here we are going to use System.out. So our concern in this situation is System.out. So it will write data onto the output stream or output writer 2 bytes at a time. But this is done a little bit differently. So internally it maintains or it provides a temporary character buffer. So it provides a temporary character buffer which is char array CB. So this is a data member which is available with BufferedWriter class. So whenever we write the data, first the data will go to temporary character buffer, and then it will write the data onto the output stream or output writer. So the first data will go to temporary character buffer, and then output writer or output stream. The data will be written onto the output stream. So this is what is a procedure which is internally followed using this temporary character buffer. And coming to the hierarchy, so BufferedWriter class, it is same as that of buffered output stream, and it is inherited from writer class, and writer class is similar to that of output stream class. And coming to the constructors and methods of BufferedWriter class, so if you see the description of the class, java p -p java.io.bufferedWriter. So open the command prompt, go to your working directory and give the command java p -p java.io.bufferedWriter. Right. So BufferedWriter class is inherited from writer class. So all the methods of writer class can be used in BufferedWriter class with its object. So this is the BufferedWriter, and for this BufferedWriter we have to pass a writer object as parameter. So here we are going to use output stream writer, because output stream writer will be using System.out to write the data onto the monitor or display. And next we can also use BufferedWriter with writer followed by int. So int indicates the size of the temporary buffer, and that temporary buffer is maintained internally using character array CB variable. And the methods, we have write int, write character array, we also have write string, flush, close. So methods from base class can also be used here. So these are the two important constructors, and then these are the write methods using which we are going to write the data onto the output screen, and then flush, close. So here one important note point is there. Methods throws IOException, which is a checked exception. So try catch is compulsory. And whenever we are writing the data using BufferedWriter class, so first the data will go to the temporary buffer. So that from temporary buffer the data will go on to the output stream or output writer, such as file or monitor. And this is done only when we perform flush or close. So first the data will go to the temporary character buffer, and when we say flush or close the output stream, then only the data will be written onto the output stream, example file or monitor. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. BufferedWriter class example 2. So program to write data on display System.out using BufferedWriter class. So let us take a new page. So first we'll write the comments at the beginning of the program, and then we'll take or import java.io package. So take the main class with main method, BufferedWriter class example 2. So save this program in our working directory as BufferedWriter class example2.java. Right, and next we have kept all the coding related to BufferedWriter class in try block, and then followed by catch. So catch exception E. So whenever any exception occurs, like IOException, so such exception is caught and it will display exception type and message. Right, so let us go to the try block. So inside the try block, first we are creating an object of output stream writer. As we already know that output stream writer class is a bridge between character streams and byte streams. So output stream writer class we are associating with System.out. So here we are passing System.out. Right. So System.out means monitor. Next, we are creating an object of BufferedWriter class, and for the constructor we are passing output stream writer object. So whatever the data we are going to write, that data will be written onto the System.out, which is nothing but our monitor. Right. So let us try to write some data here. So BufferedWriter dot write hello students new line string. Next, BufferedWriter dot write welcome to SriSai IT Hub new line. Next, BufferedWriter 101. So this is int data. It will be automatically converted to char data, which will be ASCII code or Unicode of 101, which is small e, lowercase e. And then BufferedWriter dot write character A. So this character A, anyhow it is a 2-byte character, it will be written onto the output screen. And when we say flush, then only it will be written, or when we say close on BufferedWriter, then only it will be written. And finally close output stream writer. So save this program. Next, go to the command prompt and then compile the program. So BufferedWriter class example2 dot java. So no error. Run it. Right. So here it is written onto the output screen. So hello students, welcome to SriSai IT Hub 101. It is written as 2-byte character data, which is E, lowercase e, and then character A, which is a 2-byte character data, capital A. Now let us try to demonstrate unless and until if we say flush, then only the data will be written onto the output stream, which is monitor. So we'll take thread.sleep 5000 milliseconds, which is equals to 5 seconds. So 5000 milliseconds is 5 seconds. Right. So here first all these data will go to the temporary buffer. So the thread will sleep for 5 seconds. When we say flush, then only the data will be written onto the output screen. Right. So here we will say once again, save this program, recompile, and then rerun. So when we run, the data will go to the temporary buffer. It will wait for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5. And then it will return the data onto the output screen, which is System.out. So this is how we are supposed to work with BufferedWriter class to write the data onto the System.out using output stream writer class, because it is a bridge between character streams and byte streams. So that is what is all about BufferedWriter class with System.out. So writing the data onto the output screen. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel SriSai IT Hub. Have a nice day.